It's a pretty simple process. We get a call, we'll go out first and examine the plumbing to see if it's even possible to install submeters. Normally, you have to have one single point of water entry into a unit. So if it's older construction, you have multiple points. There are still ways to submeter that, but it's a very different ballgame if that's the case. Anything built after about 1980, or really even in the 70s, is going to have a single point of entry. So we find that, make sure there's a working valve, and then really a technician just comes in, shuts the water off, cuts out about that much pipe, inserts a meter, attaches a transmitter to it. Then over in the property office, we hang what's basically a radio receiver and we hook it to the internet. Once that's done, or in some cases we use a cellular connection, but once that's done, right here in our office, we begin receiving streaming readings. We're standing in our billing and customer service area right now. So we'll get copies of the community's actual bills. We'll calculate what rate they're paying per month, and we verify that with the utility, and we do that constantly. We then apply that rate code to the individual unit owner's consumption monthly, and we send them an invoice. In most cases with condominiums, we then collect and we remit the money back to the association so that they in turn can pay their utility. Now in the case of apartment communities, many times they want to collect on site. In those cases, we're integrated with their property management software. So we would read the meters, we do all the same work, calculate rates, read the meters, send out the invoices, but then the charges would upload to their actual property management software and show up on the resident's bill from the community. So we can do both models.